In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide categories on a Squarespace blog post. If you want your blog post page to look a little cleaner and remove the category labels from appearing, Squarespace makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path so you can make this change quickly and confidently. To get started, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. From there, click on Website and then select Pages. This is where all of your site's page types are organized, including your blog. Once you're in Pages, find and click on the blog page. Make sure you're selecting the actual blog section where your posts live, because that's where the display settings for the post page can be adjusted. After opening the blog page, click on one of your blog posts to open the blog post page itself. This is important because you want to access the layout and display options connected to the post view, not just the main blog list. When the post opens, look to the top left and click Edit. This takes you into the editing view for that page so you can change how the post is being displayed. Next, click Edit section. This is where Squarespace stores many of the visual settings for that part of the file. Inside these settings, look for the option labeled Show Categories. Once you find it, simply disable it. Turning this off removes the category display from the blog post page, which can be useful if you prefer a more minimal design or if categories aren't important for your readers to see. After disabling Show Categories, click Save to apply the change. That's it. Your blog post page will now hide the categories. One quick thing to keep in mind is that this is a display change, so it affects how the blog post information appears visually. Your categories may still exist behind the scenes for organization and filtering, but they won't be shown on the post page once this setting is turned off. If you ever want to show them again, you can return to the same area, re-enable the setting, and save. And there you go. That's how to hide categories on a Squarespace blog post in just a few clicks.